Salman Khan was fuming. Producer revisits night. Vivek Oberoi accused star of 41 threat calls. What ended his career? Film producer Shailendra Singh opens up on his long friendship with Salman Khan, the Vivek Oberoi controversy, and Salman's relationship with Aishwarya Rai. Film producer Shailendra Singh, known for backing critically acclaimed films such as Page 3, Traffic Signal, Phir Milenge and Firak, recently spoke candidly about his long-standing friendship with Salman Khan, the Vivek Oberoi press conference controversy, and Salman's relationship with Aishwarya Rai. Salman Khan is a tiger but now he's tamed. In a conversation with Siddharth Kannan, Shailendra revealed that his friendship with Salman Khan began long before fame entered the picture. Salman and I go back to Kaf Parade, where I used to live. He used to come there to meet his first girlfriend, Shaheen Jafri, he said. Salman's problem is that he is all heart. He's an awesome guy, but the company he keeps is strange, Shailendra remarked. Reflecting on how success reshaped Salman over the years, Shailendra said, Salman is a tiger, but now he's tamed. He was born a tiger in the jungle, now he's a tiger in a zoo. Success makes you cautious, even fearful. Then people surround you, constantly telling you that you're the boss and everyone else is wrong. At the height of Salman's career, the two shared a close camaraderie. For 3 years, Salman and I had a tradition. Every Monday night, we would party together in Bandra, Shailendra recalled. How Salman Khan came on board Phir Milenge. Shailendra also spoke about the casting struggles behind Phir Milenge, revealing that the film nearly fell apart before Salman stepped in. According to him, director Revati had approached almost every major name in the industry. The role was that of an AIDS patient who dies at the end of the film. Revati went to around 30 actors in the industry. The last actor to say no was Uday Chopra, he said. With no options left, Revati reportedly told Shailendra she was ready to return the money and abandon the project until Salman Khan agreed to take it on, turning the film's fate around. Salman Khan was fuming after Vivek Oberoi press conference. Shailendra also revisited the controversial Vivek Oberoi press conference, revealing how he advised Salman to handle the situation. He shared that he went to Salman's house shortly after the incident and found him extremely angry. He was fuming. Earlier, he would openly show his emotions. Now, he has a lot more control, Shailendra said. Recalling his advice, he added, My only reaction after Vivek's press conference was to tell Salman that in life, we should act, not react. Whatever needs to be done can be done later. For now, let's sit, have a drink, and let him do whatever he's doing. I asked him to not act on impulse, wait and fight the battle silently. I think he did that. He made sure that Vivek doesn't work in Bollywood anymore. I don't know for sure, but that's how it looks. In 2003, Vivek Oberoi held a press conference claiming that Salman Khan had threatened him. At the time, he was in a relationship with Aishwarya Rai following her split from Salman. The allegations shook the industry and soon, after which Vivek gradually found himself pushed to the margins. When asked about Salman's relationship with Aishwarya Rai, Shailendra described the actor as someone who often found himself in difficult circumstances. Salman is a great guy, but always at the wrong place at the wrong time. He has a strange way of finding disaster, he said. Shailendra finally opened up about the incident that led to the end of his friendship with Salman Khan. He had approached the actor for a film titled Captain, hoping to collaborate on a full-fledged commercial project. Our friendship was very strong, so I went to him and